Telegram Premium Explained. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss some of the features of Telegram Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I open up Telegram. I have a premium, as you can see a check mark there, so I can tap the three lines option here. Also you can see I have got premium because of the check mark. So we're going to discuss some of the features of Telegram Premium. Here you can go to Telegram Premium. You can see it says me, thank you for subscribing to Telegram Premium. So let us discuss. The first feature here is unlimited stories, which will allow unlimited posting, priority order, stealth mode, permanent view history, and more. The second one here is unlimited cloud storage, so you can simply select that. You can have unlimited cloud storage for 4 GB per each document, unlimited storage for your chats and media overall, double limits, which means up to 1000 channels, 30 folders, 10 pins, 20 public links, 4 accounts, and more. Then voice to text conversion, which means you can have the ability to read the transcript of any incoming voice message. Faster download speed, which means no more limits on the speed with which the media and documents are downloaded. Real-time translation, animated emojis, emoji status, which means on the emoji status you can set a verification badge just like I did. Then you can have a profile badge which is exclusive to you, only for premium users. Then you have the advanced chat management that you might also be interested in. If you go to the no ads section, you will not face any sort of ads in public channels where Telegram sometimes shows ads. Then you also have premium app icons. You can choose from a selection of Telegram app icons for your home screen. Infinite reactions, react with thousands of emojis using your multiple reactions per message. And you also have animated profile picture if that is what you might also be interested in. You can see and view a brief description of those features here. You have premium stickers that you can send during chats and group chats. You can have wallpaper different for both sides, for you as well as your chat partner. And you can also have the name and profile colors. Choose a color and logo for your profile and replies to your messages. These are simply some of the features of Telegram Premium. They are packed with lots of features, and of course by far my favorite is the one that I can actually have a verification badge on my profile, which really looks cool whenever I'm trying to talk to someone in a group and they give you more importance than the others. So this way you should be able to figure out the premium features on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.